Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon and today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency called HalfPizza. Now, I found this cryptocurrency because their website looks absolutely amazing, looks a lot of fun. But with this guys, I'm going to be doing a price prediction, giving you guys some information about it, where you guys can find this information. So let's begin. So HalfPizza on CoinMarketCap, this thing is trading for a very small amount guys, very, very tiny. And it has been trending down. If we look at the inception of this cryptocurrency, it has been going down and down and down. Now, there's a lot of reasons for it. It has a lot of spikes, but overall, if you bought, you're probably down. Unless you bought right here, and you're probably up. If you bought over here, you're feeling the pain. So for this cryptocurrency, guys, I would say if you're trading it, maybe the best position is to short the entire thing as much as possible. Or if you guys are hodling it, maybe that might not be the best platform unless new information comes out to change that momentum to make it go higher. But let's check out the rest of some other information. So this is 2,828 on the list for cryptocurrencies. I'll show you guys the website in a second. What else? What can this cryptocurrency do? So I'm on Globe Newswire. What is it? So Pizza, P-I-Z-A, is a token for decentralized incentive autonomous community HalfPizza, which focuses on blockchain ecology research and community construction. So let's check out the website, guys. Now the website I actually like. I've been looking around through their store, their activity, the games they have. Like out of all the cryptocurrencies I've been looking into, a lot of the altcoins, this is probably the most fun. Just look through. Let's see, NFT. Advertising, project, their book. I mean, their store, even the stuff like this on his website is really nice. So if you guys want to try something kind of a meme coin in a sense, check out their website. I'll have it linked in the description below. For the price prediction, guys, I am just hot. It would be just a short trading. This would be shorting. If you guys want to get a part of this, there's let me see, to get on there, you can use L-Bank, Pancakes, or Hotbit for the to get part of this cryptocurrency. What else we got? Here's their Twitter page. So if you're looking at some of their current news, check out their tweets. The last tweet was on the 18th of October. So maybe you can send them a tweet. I'll be also tagging them with this video. If you guys are looking for trading information, go to TradingView. You guys can trade, set up charts on here. I didn't set up any charts for this one because this to me was pretty easy. It's just a short. Alright, but guys, if you guys, for more information about cryptocurrency, stocks, investing, Forex, please go to my website, andrejmcclendon.com. I also do one-on-one meetings for 30 days for 1 hour sessions, sometimes 1 hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on the time. But if you want to learn more about that, please contact me on my website or on Facebook. But that's the video, guys. If any questions or comments, drop it below. I will always comment below, and have a nice day. I'll see you.